Presenting the Ford 2015 F-150 XLT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are Equipment Group 302A Luxury, FX4 Off-Road Package, Trailer Tow Package, XLT Chrome Appearance Package, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, CD player, radio data system and radio, AM/FM stereo single CD player. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.